Good morning, everyone. Today is our final day here in Osaka, Japan. Later tonight, we'll be boarding our flight back to Manila. So before saying goodbye to this amazing city, we decided to make the most of our remaining time. After checking out of our hotel early this morning, we headed out for one last stroll through the lively streets of Shinsaibashi, taking in the sights, enjoying the atmosphere, and soaking up every last bit of Osaka's charm before we leave. Come along with us as we spend our final hours exploring, shopping, and making a few more memories in Japan. If you enjoy travel videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future adventures. Let's get started!
Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog.
It's April 15th, Wednesday, and today marks the end of our Osaka travel series. But before heading to the airport for our flight back to Manila, we still had enough time for one last meal and a final stroll through Shinsaibashi. For lunch, we walked over to a nearby Yoshinoya. Even though we have Yoshinoya back in the Philippines, there's still something different about having it here in Japan. Maybe it's the taste, the atmosphere, or simply the feeling of enjoying it in the country where it all started. Either way, it's one of those little things we're definitely going to miss. After lunch, we made our way to Shinsaibashi for one last walk through one of our favorite areas in Osaka, but as soon as we reached the covered shopping street, a light drizzle began to fall. Instead of letting the rain ruin our plans, it gave us the perfect excuse to do some last-minute shopping and look for a few final finds before leaving Japan. Of course, we couldn't leave without taking one last photo with the iconic Glico Man. It has become somewhat of a tradition for us whenever we visit Osaka. As the rain continued to fall, we decided to slow down and relax at Starbucks. Interestingly, that was exactly what we did during our last visit to Osaka 2 years ago. Sitting there by the window, watching the rain outside, felt strangely familiar. I can't help but feel that it always seems to rain whenever we're about to leave Japan. It's almost as if the country is shedding tears as we say goodbye. Maybe it's just a coincidence, but it always adds a little extra emotion to our final day. For now, we don't have another Japan trip planned. So once again, I'm ending this travel series with a farewell, not knowing when we'll be back. Ever since our visas were approved a couple of years ago, visiting Japan has become an annual tradition. It almost felt like a year wasn't complete without a trip here. But next year, we're thinking about exploring other countries first. So we'll see. When will we meet again, Japan? Whatever the answer may be, this country has truly felt like a second home to us over the past few years. Thank you for the unforgettable experiences, the beautiful places, the incredible food, and the countless memories we've made along the way. Eventually, the rain showed no signs of stopping. So instead of waiting it out, we decided to head back earlier than planned, collect our bags, and begin our journey to the airport. With that, we made our way back to the hotel, bringing our wonderful Japan adventure to a close.
Why? Ikaw na lang magtanong.
No thanks.
Yeah, remove.
Putit ba?
Put it back.
Sige.
Wait lang. Mauna ka na kaya? Hindi rin tayo kakasya. Sige, paunahin mo si daddy. Hindi rin tayo kakasya, anak eh. Come on, let's go. Init. 11:55 pa ang bus. Mag-antay pa tayo. But we're or catching up the...
Kasi I don't wanna go to the airport.
Ha?
If Ichiran, then this
I can't understand you. Dali. What?
it's Ichiran, then the spice might make me poop.
In the airport. Okay, sige. That's why you don't want Ichiran na.
No.
Okay.
Ihi muna ako.
Ihi ka? Sige. Naku, hindi ka pa umihi doon. Ha? Ano? Yun yung sinasabi ni kanina ni Judith, nahirapan daw siya mag-check out. Ha? Ewan ko, hindi na niya sinabi. Ano nangyari ba?
Wala, baka kasi nilinisip pa kaya natin.
Okay.
Check. Wala, may pale.
Sige.
Sunod yun.
Wait. Oo nga, may tali. Ang galing. Ayun, isang malaki mo na. Wait lang. Tapos yung dalawang maliit magkatabi. Hindi ganito. Para madaling tanggalin. Ganyan na lang. Pinapatong mo. Ipatong mo na lang dyan. Ha? Ito, another tally na eh. Sabi ko itong dalawa, another tally. Hindi na aabot. Para Here. Oh, it's cold nga eh. Lapit lang yun, anak. Ay, wait. Wait. Titoy! Doon. Sige. Doon sana yung bus. Doon. Hindi, sige, okay na. Hindi na, okay na. Dito, tatawid lang tayo. Magja-jacket ako mamaya. Magja-jacket din ako. Oo, usog kayo dito, Magja-jacket din ako eh.
Open the zipper, hindi mo nakainit.
Oh, wala na akong dala.
Ay, gigit naman. Baka ikaw lang yung mabigit. It will come by later in airport sa Haneda. Till 1K.
Terminal 1, di. Terminal 3 na.
Till 1 o'clock.
Ah.
1 to 5 yung flight din.
Oo nga.
Sayang yung active. Ayaw ko na lang ganun check.
Ha? Pero tama naman yung ginawa nila, yung OCAT.
Tama pa yung sayang ako.
Sayang nga lang oras niya. Kasi sobrang aga. Hindi, ang issue kasi nung daddy ni para pagdating nila doon, hindi hating gabi yung dating nila doon. Kasi hating gabi dadating pagka Para dadating sila doon, maaga pa ata, mga 4, ganyan, 5. Kasi magdalawa lang sila, tapos magta-taxi. Para safe sila. Ayaw nung dad ni Gab na hating gabi darating doon or madaling araw.
Yeah, so early na.
So, early naman ang alis. 6 o'clock.
Ganun, tulog din pagdating.
Ah,
Ganun din, tutulog
at
ka
least,
lang.
at least nasa bahay na sila.
R5 pagdating nila, pangit.
Pero ako, okay na ako yung ganito. Sila na lang. Para makaikot ka. At saka relax ka, hindi ka nagmamadali. Hindi yung naghahabol ka ng airport, ng flight. Pero maaga pa daw siya dumating kanina eh. Kasi 10 o'clock pala yung flight niya. Ha? What? Ganda ng mga flowers dito. Oh. Buhay na buhay yung mga flowers kasi malamig. Sa atin, lanta agad. Dahil mainit. Oh, mainit na ulit sa atin. Bye-bye, Japan na.
During the final presentation of our SIP,
Oh, ano na?
they were looking at our pots.
Oh, kasi patay. yung plants nila.
One of the
Oh. Ano? One of the what? The panelists.
panelists
Oh.
touched one of the dead stems. He pulled it out.
Put it out.
And then,
Pulled out so easily.
so easily. And then,
It scared the other panelists.
parang what did you do to the plants? Right.
Ano, buy a plant na.
Paano ba yung
Para
plant?
transfer mo the next day, you can show it. Multi-agad.
11:30. Ito na yun eh, di ba? Naga-Horibashi. Oh, tapos dito na lang tayo magbabas going to the Starbucks para hindi ka maglalakad ng malayo.
Then after Starbucks, we'll go to the airport.
Yeah, babalik muna tayo dito,
Okay
anak.
lang. You stay there, Starbucks?
Balik muna tayo.
Right, but
May cafe din pala dito, oh. Ito din, oh, apartment hotel, Shinsaibashi. Katabi ng Yoshinoya.
this the one you ordered.
Hmm?
This the one you ordered.
Yeah, the cheese. Ah, okay. Sorry. Kasi mami is ordering the cheese one.
Sila dyan, dito sa gitna.
Turuan mo si Riley. I'll buy the set meal with karage so that you can get my chicken.
Fried chicken set.
Yeah, fried chicken set. Meron ba? Ba't wala? Hindi ba pwede dito sa ilalim? Ha? Medyo lang ako.
What the set?
Soupy. To order.
Fried chicken set.
Fried chicken set ako. Ha? Beef bowl tapos fried chicken set.
Yeah.
Oo, yun nga. Tapos I'll give you mine.
Mga set kayo ha?
Ay, no na.
Sa inyo na lang yung
Ayun.
pinipano na. Hindi ako set.
Oo. Set ako. Ito, fried chicken set. Pero 1,000 plus na lang yung Gcash ko. So, credit card ko na lang kung gusto mo.
Ganun pala yung in-order ko. Beef bowl sofa set.
Order na ako. Payment ba agad to? Ikaw na magbayad.
Hindi yata. Sa taas yata yun.
Yung payment? Ano number ko ba? 7. Sobra naman. Sobra. Oh, really? Time of my life when you long, long live.
Kaya yung mga apoy ko.
Which one's the sausage?
I don't know.
Yung ano, yung mataba. Yung mataba.
Yan ang soy sauce.
The one with the white. No, black one. Yung see the black one there. There's the black one. Isa lang, anak.
Nakamatay ba ito ng kanta? Hanggang mamaya ako hindi makakain dito.
Ha?
Hanggang mamaya ako hindi makakain. Kasi, hiwalay, di ba? Hiwalay lang.
Anong hiwalay?
Like, sa sausaw. Sabi ni Marvin. Marvin sa mga
Oo nga eh.
Which one's the sausage?
Wala na. Okay na. Ano, heavy? I'll carry na.
I did my normal school bag.
Oo nga, pero you're walking. Yeah.
What did they do with their hands?
Oo, yung ano yung Ichiran na dalawa pa.
Red?
Oo. Isang red na lang anak ang bili natin ng Ichiran. Hindi mo naman nauubos pag ganun karami. Tipid-tipirin mo na lang. Ito ano ba to?
Hanggang
Dami
August
talaga.
lang yun.
Oo, hanggang August nga lang yun. Eh wala pa tayong next na Wala pa tayong next na. Sa Taiwan ata merong Ichiran eh. Ito daw. Ano, bibili ka na dito?
Saan pa tayo daan namin?
Tsaka yung mga KitKat, di ka ba bumili? Yung yung KitKat na yon. Oo nga, saan ba tayo bibili mamaya?
Saan ba iikot? Saan ba tayo uwi?
Doon din,
Dito
pwedeng
rin,
train.
ka lang one way to.
One way yung dito, yung pag
dito rin
Ay,
tayo?
sorry. Oo, dito rin magbalik.
natin to.
Oo nga, dito rin tayo maglalakad pala pabalik, anak. Oo nga. ganda sana nun, no? Yung luggage. Pero ang dami na kasi natin luggage. Yan, no? Gusto namin yan, eh. Yan, yung yellow, yung bit-bit nung ano. Ha?
Kahapon wala na message yun.
Oy! It's raining. Nako, lakas pala. Go na with daddy agad. Tayo, ganun lang. Naka-on to. Naka-camera na yan. Video. Naka-video na yan.
Sige.
And that's where we'll end this vlog. Our time in Osaka may be coming to a close, but this travel series isn't over just yet. We still have a few more moments to share as we make our journey back home to the Philippines. So be sure to join us for the next couple of vlogs as we navigate the airport, travel back home, and wrap up this unforgettable Japan adventure. If you've enjoyed traveling with us throughout the series, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the remaining episodes and our future travels. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now!